This is the Logitech G430 with 7.1 Dolby Digital Surround Sound and DTS. I use this headset for over 2 years. Since... yeah, one ear stopped working. It's easy to rebuy it. But what if we try to fix it? So we don't have to throw it away and pollute the environment with extra plastic. For the disassembling, you're gonna need a very small Phillips screwdriver. I'm gonna reuse the screwdriver from my smartphone display repair kit. First, you need to remove the cover. Just pull it out. To remove the cover mounting, unscrew the 5 visible screws. Under the mounting, there are 5 screws to each ear side and a big screw that holds the microphone. Unscrew them. Rotate your headset and remove carefully the plastic cover on the right speaker, but not on the speaker of the microphone side, because they are tiny cables which can easily break. Now we are able to see just an empty board to manage the cables and one speaker. That means that this is just a regular stereo headset. The actual Dolby and DTS decoding are happening in the USB adapter. Good for us. Let's start with analyzing the problem. To check the audio plug cable, desolder the cables on the left speaker. Desolder the right ground and right signal cable on the board and solder them direct to the left speaker. Test it with a sound. But don't forget to unplug your cable after you test it. After, unsolder the cables again and solder the left ground and left signal cable direct to the left speaker. Test it again with a sound. If something of this didn't work for you, then you have to replace the main cable. If it works, then you can try to do the same with the right speaker. If your right speaker won't play any sound, then probably your speaker is broken. All my speakers worked pretty well, that means that the cable between the speakers is broken. To replace the cable, I found an old AV cable what I'm not gonna use anymore. Solder the audio plug cable back to the board, cut your replacement cable into the right size. Then, solder your replacement cable to the board and to the right speaker. Test it with a sound again. I can't believe it! A headset what I wanted to throw away works better than ever. For the new cable, I melt small holes with the soldering iron into the case. Now your headset is ready to be reassembled and to play your favorite music.